Okay, so today we'll be opening up this used full oil filter, number 2ONS002. And I got this used full oil filter from a very generous viewer whose name is Heriberto from Manchester, Connecticut. Thanks, Heriberto. This oil filter was in service for 7 months, 7,002 miles, and came off Heriberto's daughter's car, a 2007 Nissan Versa. Yep, the one with a 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter engine, which now has 75,765 miles. She was using Napa 5W30 synthetic blend oil during this period. So let's get started. You gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight. Get your inner here, filtration. Okay, so before we open this filter up, let's take a quick look at it. The day code 6CN75R. And if we look over here, we'll see it says 30% more, larger filter area with M-pleat filter element design. I'm not sure what that is, but now we'll find out when we open it up. Filter number. And over here they got some instructions. Again, they're talking about that M-shaped pleat structure. Okay, and that's about it. Alright, and this filter has 8 inlet holes, metal core with holes, the bypass valve at the dome end, 3 grooves there for threads, and this nitro P-style gasket, which is on there pretty good. I'll put the thickness of this gasket up on the screen. Alright, let's open this filter up and see what it looks like. Oh, a little bit of oil. It's stuck there. A little bit of oil in there. Yeah, the drain back valve is definitely working. Okay, I don't see no sludging there or anything, so that's good. All looks good. Okay, no slits. This is silicone and drain back valve. Yeah, that all looks good. Yeah, it's got a nice and flexible, springy. Yeah, it fits right over that nicely. Yeah, you can see that would definitely hold that oil in there. I tried using a Q-tip to get the oil out, but it wasn't working. Okay, so here we got metal end caps. Feels like almost rust right there. Oh, that's probably just where it's welded right there and there. Bypass valve right there, which I don't have a setting for. Looks pretty clean though. No excess glue. It's probably just from the can. Let's see, we got a seam here. A little glue right there. Yeah, I think that just tore on me a little bit because I was pushing on it. Yeah, there's a little bit of glue in there. I don't see a seam. It must have an inside seam. Okay, this is according to Napa's website. This is a cellulose synthetic media. They don't list the micron rating though. Okay. Oh, and we got the coil spring. Nice. I had quite a bit of oil left in here. Looks nice and clean in there though. I don't see any sludging or nothing going on. So that's good. I'll put the thickness of this can up on the screen. Seems pretty thick. Yeah, that all looks good. Okay, I'll have it sitting like that. All the oil will dump out. Just like that. All right, let's get the width of this filter. .93 inches wide minus 1/10 of an inch for the end caps. I don't know what they're talking about. M pleat design here. It just looks like a regular filter to me. Okay, well, let me cut this open, squeeze it out, stretch it out, see what it looks like under a microscope. Be right back. Okay, and here's this full filter all stretched out, and I took a little sample right here. And this filter is 59.5 inches long. Okay, now let's get the thickness of this filter media. 0.80 millimeters thick. Okay, this is the filtering side, back side. And if we take a look at this filter under a microscope, you're going to see, I took the picture right about here. You're going to see quite a bit of some light spots, and you're going to see a lot of carbon and soot in there also. So let's take a look at that picture. So as you can see, this filter did catch a lot of stuff, but there's also some light spots in this filter media. And let's take a look at this filter up close. So you can see, like, it's got a dark spot in it, and then light spots. Mostly the darkness is in the seams. I think there's a little, I've seen it somewhere here, a little piece of, right there. There might be a little piece of metal there. Now let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So we already went over these components: the gasket, drain bag valve, silicone, that's nice, coil spring, and you know, you got holes here. That should be no problem with there with oil flow. The can, also I want to mention this can, I forgot to mention this earlier, was right here. It's made in Thailand. And the inside of the can, I was feeling in there earlier, it's a little bit gritty feeling. You know, it's not really bad, but it feels a little bit gritty feeling. I think a finer or a better micron rating would be, you know, filter, because I don't think this one has the greatest micron rating. What do you guys think? And again, I want to thank Herberto for sending me this used full filter oil filter, and I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Fridays. I try to open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.